Here's how to fix if you're not receiving a verification code on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to log into a social media or banking app or something like that, and it's texting you a code, but you're never getting it, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is check the signal strength of your iPhone to make sure you have good signal strength when they text you that code so that you get it. Now, we're going to do a secret field test. So this isn't a common thing that people will see. You can't find it in the menu, but you can get to it just by dialing this into your phone. So you can see *3001 #12345 #. So just basically copy this or just write out what it is. And we'll go to the keypad and we're going to paste this in or write it in. And then we're going to tap on the call button, but it's not actually going to call anything. It's going to bring up the field test on your iPhone. The reason why we do this is because we're going to look at the signal strength on your iPhone. You can see here RSRP is -111. So keep in mind that specific number, -111, or yours might be -90 or something like that. And I'll show you what it means. Now in here, you can see the signal strength for RSRP. -90 is excellent. If you're -90 to 105, it's good. And if you're, in my case, -111, that's in the fair, or especially if you're in poor, that could be the culprit on why you're not getting that verification code. Now, if that is the culprit, what you can do is swipe down from the top right, toggle on airplane mode. This will disconnect you from your cell signal, and then just turn it back off. Or you might need to go outside to somewhere that you get better signal. Now, that's the first thing that we're going to want to check, but there's other things as well. Let's get into the settings here, and we'll scroll down. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and find basically where we potentially are deleting that passcode. So we're going to go, where is it? We're going to go to General here, and then we're going to go to Autofill and Passwords. Now from here, you can see verification codes. It says delete after use. However, sometimes this gets mixed up and it thinks that you have used it already and it will automatically delete it as soon as you get it. So I would recommend turning this off. This will leave that verification code in your messages itself. But we're also going to go back here. Let's go back to the beginning and we'll go to your message settings. So let's scroll down and we'll tap on apps at the very bottom. And then from here, we're going to scroll down again until we get to the messages section. So here it is, tap on messages here. Now, from the messages section, all we need to do is change a couple things. First, we'll turn off iMessage and wait a bit, and then just turn it back on. What this does is it reactivates your iMessage and fixes any issues with text messaging through iMessage. Another thing that we'll do is we'll go down here and make sure send as text message is turned on to allow you to send and receive text messages through SMS. Keep in mind, a lot of times when they text you a code, it's through an SMS text message and not always iMessage. Now, we'll also scroll down and we're going to find the filter unknown senders. What this will do is it will filter all of those text messages from unknown senders, aka basically phone numbers that are 4 or 5 digits long that they'll usually text you from, and put them in a different place that you might not be able to see. All you're going to do is toggle this off so that essentially it doesn't filter those unknown senders. They'll be in your normal, basically, inbox or the screen where you get all the text messages. Now, and the last thing we'll do in here is we'll go up and go to blocked contacts. Now, keep in mind, this might sound simple, but you might have blocked the contact or phone number that they text you from. What you're going to be looking for is a short phone number. So a lot of times they'll text you from a phone number that's 4 or 5 digits long. You can scroll through here and try to see if there are any short 4 or 5 digit long numbers. And if you do see any, just swipe to left and hit unblock. You'd be surprised how many times people have just blocked the number that is texting you that code. Now, if all of those don't work, it sounds simple again, but just let's go back to the very beginning here. Tap General, scroll down and just hit shut down. A lot of times just turning off your phone and restarting it will fix these issues with your iPhone, and you'll get all those basically outstanding or pending text messages sent to you once you restart it and you're good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.